can you start talking now?
Ebuche is not coming.
I can't get... Can you just rephrase that thing you just said now?
Ebuche is not coming for any marriage ceremony. He has cancelled marriage with your sister. He's not coming. He's not marrying your sister anymore.
I see. And thank you very much for granting us the courtesy of coming to inform us yourself.
Thank you, but you know I was never in support of his action. You know that.
I know. I think you can start leaving now. But please, you have to go to the back, okay? I don't want you to get noticed while you are leaving. People might start having some different impressions. I want to unveil the news to them myself.
It's okay, understood.
One more thing. Tell Ebuche that no matter where he runs to, no matter where he goes, he cannot hide from me.
I will find him and I will kill him for this.
We're getting married tomorrow. You're not supposed to be here.
Well, let's just say I couldn't wait for that long.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Thank you.
And you know how to say sweetest of things to me.
It's okay. And I got you this.
Oh.
And I want you to wear them tomorrow.
Of course I will wear them. It's so beautiful. Very beautiful. I'll wear them for you tomorrow. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much, my love.
You're welcome, my wife.
Your wife?
Yes, my wife.
You don't know how sweet that sounds, my husband.
My wife.
I'm super delighted. Thank you so much. You don't know
I'm
how
happy you love it.
Hi, brother of mine. When did you come back?
Let's say so long enough that I saw it all. My man.
Oh, my merchant-in-law.
I can see you brought my sister a gift.
Yes.
My wife, you mean?
No, not yet. Till tomorrow.
She will be my wife by tomorrow.
Well, I know we all agree to make this marriage a low-key one. But I think I've got something up my sleeve. So, I'll say this. Invite all your friends.
Huh?
Make sure all your friends are present because I am going to kill a fat ram for you.
Oh, my brother, you are the best in the whole world.
Of course, I know.
Thank you. I trust you.
I am really grateful.
If you hurt my sister, I'll kill you.
She's a safe hands. Trust me. I truly love her.
Yes. Fine.
Yes, let's anticipate tomorrow then. It's okay.
Tomorrow. Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Tumba, tumba, tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am to I can't live with it. If I am to I can't live with it. So don't blame me. Tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Where you are going?
Nobody knows.
I'm so sorry. Sorry. Am I even going on the right road?
You're not from this village, are you?
No, I'm not.
Are you alright?
No, I'm not alright.
Sorry, it's alright.
I still can't explain why I opened myself so fast to a man that I was just seeing for the first time.
Life is a misery. If only we can explain why we do things we do most of the time.
I've been asking myself several questions. Lots of them.
Anyways, thank the gods you met me. Because I happen to know the solution to your problem.
What do you mean? I mean, how do you mean?
Ever used alligator pepper on yourself before?
No. Why would I do that?
It is the only thing that can cleanse up this immorality from your body.
An Anukenyi will see me?
Exactly. Come, let me show you. Come. Stand up. Let's go, come.
So, can I help you?
You did the right thing.
Excuse me?
Ditching Onyekani is the best decision you have ever made.
Whoa. You know, you're the only one that has said that to me the whole of today. And I'm so excited.
You see, a credible man of Umwezira like you shouldn't be going to other villages in search of a wife. Not when you have women like me here.
I think there's a misunderstanding here. I did not ditch Onyekane, as you said, because I want to get married to a woman from here. No. I ditched Onyekane because I found a woman I want to get married to. And I am sorry to inform you that that woman is not from here. She's from Aki.
What? You didn't just say that.
I did. I said so. And I'm sure you heard me right. You see, she was here last night. She spent the night here. And you know what? She handled me. She handled me like no woman has ever handled me. And no woman can ever handle me. That is how she handled me. And you see that woman? I am going to look for her and I'm going to make her my wife. That is the reason I cancelled that marriage.
Are you for real? Or it's something you made up to scare me away?
I swear by the gods of this land, I am telling you the truth and nothing but the truth. And I think you have overstayed your welcome here.
You lascivious and deplorable bastard! You will die a shameful death!
That's how you people go around scattering people's life. You won't get me on that.
Are you sure you don't want me to stay back?
It's okay. No, you don't have to. I need to tell her myself.
Really? It's okay anyway, if you say so. But in case you need anything at all, you know where to find me.
Of course I do. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You have to take good care of her.
I will.
All right. See you.
Thank you.
What's going on? What is it?
Please, you need to sit. Really.
Is there a problem? Why is everyone leaving?
Just take a seat.
You don't tell me to sit. You tell me what is happening. What is wrong? Eh? Wait. Is he not coming? Eh?
He's not coming. Please, you just calm down, okay? Don't get yourself worked up. Calm down.
Life is hard, but we do our best to live it. Sometimes it gets really tough. So tough that one would think that she is not tough enough to keep going through it. But that is the time that we should remind ourselves that the only valuable solution is getting through it. Tough times never last, but tough people do. My life does not revolve around Ebuche. I will take whatever it is that has happened today to be my faith, and I'm ready to move on.
Tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Hey, Anabaka. Great one. How dare you? How dare you? Now tell me. Tell me, who is that man in Umwezanam that is much better than me in providing solutions to problems? Great ones, Listen, it is only a fool that put his tongue in a burning fire. It is only a fool that falls into destruction with his hands. That young woman, you do not know what brought her into this land. Stay clear from her. Has this man finally become a spirit? How did he get to know about a private discussion I had with a young woman along the road? How?
Hi.
Gemma, what are you doing?
Miss me.
Excuse me.
Considering the fact that you chose to marry her instead of me, should have given me a heads up when you decided to leave her. Or better still, call me.
I didn't call you. That is to tell you that I didn't want you back. So why not just leave?
Sorry, I don't get.
Gemma, what we shared was mostly in secret. In fact, on the bush. So permit me to say what we shared in the bush. And in the bush.
Are you just saying all this to make me feel bad?
Maybe you're bad. You're already bad. So please, why not just get out of my house?
What?
Okay, now, listen. Maybe I've not made it clear to you, but let me break it down for you, okay? It is over. It is over between us, all right? I said this bushel thing, it's over, all right? It's over between us. You don't know me, I don't know you.
You shameless and abominable son of a cursed family. I, EJEOMA, who bent my life in making yours miserable. Trust me.
How? All because I don't want you back. I have become abominable, right? Good. Stand here and invent more names to call me. Invent them. But you know what is not going to change the fact that I have taken you. And in the bush. We did it in the bush. So, you're already counted amongst the taken. And nothing is going to change that. My dear.
I still cannot believe this. That boy disgraced us.
Well, considering the fact that Ekunife did announce his humanizing attitude from the beginning, we should still have expected exactly this from him.
But Ekunife later consented to the marriage.
Yes, but having given it a thought, I think he did that just to impress his sister who was bent on marrying that bastard.
Bastard indeed. Can you imagine the amount of food we wasted today?
You're talking about food. What about drinks? Let us not talk about money.
Kai. Do you know by this time tomorrow, our family will be famous in this town for a place that such a thing happened in. Hey, everybody will be talking about us.
And my niece, Onyekane, will become an object of discussion.
Kai.
See that boy? See that boy? He needs to be taught a lesson.
Exactly. He needs to be taught a lesson so that he will feel our pains.
Please, park in the place. Let's go to bed.
That's my husband. I think. Where is it?
Honestly, I do not like your mood this morning.
What do you mean? And what do you know about moods?
I'm almost done with breakfast. Why don't you sit behind and eat?
Well, I'll eat when I get back.
What is happening here? I'm fine. Am I forgetting something?
Anyway, here I have roasted plantain and obaka, specially prepared for you by my mom.
Oh,
Here.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And here I have uba and okporoko sent from my mom.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I have here with me a bachancha sent over by my mom.
Oh, Madiche, thank you so much. I really appreciate this gesture. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope there's no problem.
Onyekane, something terrible happened to you yesterday. My dear, it's okay to grieve.
No, I'm fine. Listen, my wonderful friends, trust me, I am very fine. Ebuchi has made his choice, but I have moved on. I am not going to kill myself. Yes. Nevertheless, that will not stop me from enjoying this awesome delicacies you brought me this morning. Thank you so much. I will set the table. You will eat with me, right?
Yes, of course.
I'll be right back. Thank you.
Ma, are you sure she's okay?
I don't even understand her again.
Yeah.
What is it? What's wrong with you? Do you want to kill him? Eh? Take a look. He's not moving anymore.
What's the problem? I guess he needs some more. This bastard! Stop it! Stop it! What's the problem? Stop! I know you're doing this for your sister. But if you kill him, your sister is going to be angry with you. Do you understand? Stop it! There is something they call karma. There is something they call fate. There's something they call posterity. They are going to judge us all. He killed my sister the moment he hurt her. This fool! Stop it! Stop! You learn stop it! Stop it! What's wrong with you? What's the problem?
In future, never appear before me with the fluid of a man in you. I mean, a man that is not your husband.
Okay, great one. And I am sorry for even daring. It won't happen again.
Sit. It will take time. Madness runs in your family. I am a messenger of the gods. The moment you step your feet into this compound, I knew what you want.
Yes, you were right, great one. Madness runs in my family.
Good. Your father died from madness when he was possessed by a strange spirit. He set himself ablaze. Your mother also died of madness. She saw water, pool of water beneath Nemba, the hill of Aki.
Yes, you were right, great one. She told people that she saw a pool of water. But they were laughing at her. People told her that there was no water. But she insisted. She took off and admitted to dive into the pool, but ended up crashing herself to death, for there was no pool of water.
Your brothers all died in mysterious circumstances. And that is when you started asking questions. In search of solutions. That is why you are here.
Yes, great one.
I am sure you know your father killed a man of this land. The widow reported him to the deity of this land, whom you have to appease.
Yes, I do.
Good. There's a little problem. The only way you can appear before Dumiwele, the deity of this land, is to come with a man.
Are you serious, great one? You mean I cannot solve this problem alone?
Yes. You have to come with a man. Either your husband, your fiancé, or one of your relations. Not a friend. A woman cannot stand before Dumiwele and talk.
Hey.
You have to do that urgently. There is no time. And when I say there is no time, I mean there is no time left.
But great one, I am not married. And besides, Dumiwele has succeeded in wiping away all the male members in my family.
There is a solution. There's another way out.
Tell me about it.
You have to be Olualosi, the wife of the deity.
What?
If you accept to be the wife of Odumiwele, he will not kill you because he will not kill his wife.
My dear, I feel so bad for Nyekane.
My dear, I can imagine how she feels.
Same here. I mean, of all the days for a man to leave you, why on the day of one's marriage?
I've never seen wickedness so defined.
I wonder what she will be doing right now.
Funny enough, I heard she came to the community borehole this morning to fetch water. And people who saw her said she was smiling and greeting everybody. Thank you for coming yesterday.
Really? Wow. I'm a fan of her fortitude if she's taking it so well.
Or she could be hiding her sorrows and frustration.
Whichever way, I understand how it feels to be rejected by the one you love.
Yes. And I bet she could be at home now, crying out her frustration.
Oh, what a poor girl. I feel for her.
Hi. So I had to get jilted on my marriage day just to have this kind of fun.
Onyekane, you're behaving strange.
How do you mean?
How? No normal being in your shoes will react the way you're just doing now.
In my shoes?
Are you even listening to us?
What would you have me do? Oh, I get it now. So I'm supposed to have hanged myself?
No.
No.
So what do you want me to do?
Tell me. I should live out my whole life in agony simply because a man refused that he wasn't going to marry me. Never. I would do no such thing. I loved Ebuche sincerely. No strings attached. So for him to have decided that he doesn't want to marry me is his own loss. Is his own loss and not mine. I am very fine. Love is a very sincere thing, very sincere and unconditional. So he has just thrown away his lifetime opportunity to be happy. I am very fine, please. I'm fine.
You went to Abubankwa, right? Deny it. You're coming from Abubankwa.
Unako, is that supposed to be a good thing? A wife should greet her husband who just returned home?
Returned home from where? Returned home from where? You left this house since yesterday night and you're coming in now and you want me to greet you. Tell me, what is good about the greeting? Eh?
Unako, you are a mad woman. And two people do not want man at the same time.
Deny it to Tandu. Deny it that you're not coming from Abubankwa. Let me tell you, one day all those disgusting girls will give you an incurable disease that even a well-female Rika will not be able to cure. Mark my words, when that day happens, I will leave you. Mark my words. Igarando.
You are indeed a lucky man. Any more of those bunches, you would have been a dead man.
Glory be to God. That's all I can say.
The injection I've given him will help dissolve the blood that has congealed in some part of his body where he has internal wounds. I'll be back in the evening to give him another one. In 2 or 3 days' time, he should be back on his feet.
Oh, my brother, thank you very much for coming in this short time.
It's all right. It's my job as the only chemist in this village. I'll take my leave now. If there is any more problems, don't hesitate to call me.
Okay, I will.
Let him have some rest.
Thank you. Go well.
Yeah.
If not for you and Ekunife, you would have been a dead man by now. Eva. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry.
the businessman. You have done exceedingly well.
But I told you, I will always deliver.
You are beautiful.
The reason you have to pay Ogao, pay plenty of money because this skin is not cheap to maintain.
I am not afraid to pay anything. Can you see him the money you may go?
In that case, you just said to me, so I will walk out. Because if you can enjoy yourself.
That's no problem.
It's even excess. Go away. Go away.
You're so generous.
I don't know what to do. Tell me, Sarah, how am I supposed to become a wife to a date? I can't do it. I don't even see myself doing it. I'd rather kill myself.
Don't say that. You won't kill yourself. And no one is marrying to any deity either. Because they're going to go back to Chioma Chiani and ask him to accompany you to go and appease the deity. After all, it was one that referred you to Mwezana in the first place.
Why didn't I think about this? Wow. Oh, Saram, you are a lifesaver.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, I mean, if you hadn't sent me to EJEOMA Jenny's place in the first place, I wouldn't have found out the truth about my family.
What are friends for? To be your brain when you're emotionally and physically drained.
I know. But trust me, lots of people who parade themselves as friends, they don't even know this. I will forever appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Don't think of killing yourself again, please.
What is it? How dare you welcome somebody that left this house yesterday without your permission with open arms?
Nani, what is it again today? Did I not tell you that she went to Omoran to visit a friend?
What friend? Which compound? When she left this house yesterday, was she with this bag? I'm asking you.
EJ, go inside.
See, if you make one step further inside this house, somebody will die. Yes. What is your problem?
Papa EJ, you are looking for trouble. Leave this girl alone. What is it?
Let me have that bag.
Don't give it to him.
Don't try me, oh. Don't try me. Let me have the bag. Hey. How did you get all this?
She brought that for me.
I'm not asking you, Okwanyono. I said, how did you get all this?
Papa, I put them for Mama.
You bought them for Mama? Very good.
EJ, let's go inside.
Who gave you the money to buy all this? I'm asking you! Who gave you the money to buy it?
EJ, please, let's go inside.
Let's go inside. That's what you always say. Let's go inside. Let's go inside, we'll come outside. Fine.
Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am to lie, I can't live with it. If I am to lie, I can't live with it. So don't blame me, tumba, 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 tumba.
Madiche, Where are you coming from? Hey, Mama, I told you I was going to sleep over at Onyekane's house. That was not what you told me. You told me you were going to visit. Mama, you did not understand what I told you because I can see you're beginning to grow wings.
That's enough.
What? Nine.
The young woman is just coming home. Let her go inside and freshen up before interrogating her. Are you a police officer?
I am a police officer.
Then you should be in an interrogating room and not in my house.
Nine.
I said that is enough. I'm going to nine because
I am not eating this food again. Eat your food.
Better. The food I was even complaining that is not enough for me. My dear, go in and go and
Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am to I can't live with it. If I am to I can't live with it. So don't blame me, tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, tumba, tumba.
You're welcome, Ogbuefi.
Surprised to see me.
Honestly, I do not know why you're here. But sincerely, I have never expected a visit from you.
By that, you mean you are not going to tell Ogbuefi who visited to sit?
No, sit down.
Thank you.
If it's my brother you're looking for, then he's not around. He just went out.
Oh, come on. Not at all. I have actually come to see you.
Me?
Yes.
Huh. Okay, I'm listening.
No, I can't tell you why I am here, why I am sitting and you are standing. So, you see, when the news of your marital disaster came to me, I felt obliged to come and show my heartfelt sympathy.
Oh. Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
Oh, thank you. And also to offer you a way to help and better your life, change your life for good.
I don't understand. A way to better my life?
You see, Onyekane, you are one beautiful woman in this village and even in the entire kingdom. That every nobleman, noble young man in this kingdom has at the tip of his tongue.
And why is that?
Kane, when next you go to the stream, stand over the water and have a good look at your reflection. Then you would know why. You see, word around town is that your beauty is not just skin deep. Your beauty has something to do with other forces that we don't see. That makes you extraordinary. Now that rascal, that stupid boy who was supposed to get married to you made a total fool of himself. All the king I know, they want you to be his queen.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Imagine how much you will be making if you were to work for me.
Eh?
Wait. What do you mean? I mean, what did you just say?
My dear, calm down. Imagine, just look at yourself as an employee of Obabankwa. Only the kings and great men will be your clients.
Excuse me?
Chekwa. Kanne, you sound as if it is an insult.
It's a very big insult. Very, very grievous one. And I won't take it.
Listen to me. You know you are a very special woman. That was why you were able to take behind you, to put behind you what happened between you and that rascal. Kanne, tomorrow is big. Tomorrow is very big. Obabankwa is that tomorrow. Listen, just come, make up your mind and come to me. Come and work for me. I will connect you to men who will tell you, who will show you how to make a woman good and treat her well. With respect.
With due respect, Owefi.
Calm down, okay? Don't just be in a hurry to give me your response now. I just want you to have your time and ponder on the offer I just made you.
No,
listen, Kanne, listen. I am not just going to make you a wealthy woman, but I will also make you a happy woman.
There is nothing, absolutely nothing to ponder over. I am going to give you my response straight away. I am not interested in whatsoever you are about to give to me. I am not interested. Please, before you came here, I was the one going to cook.
Yes, cook. You see, I have even forgotten. You reminded me, but I have already forgotten. Kanne, you are a wonderful cook. You are a wonderful cook. Your friends have already confirmed that. See, if you come to me, I will even arrange that those men, they will pay to eat what you cook.
Oboefi, you have overstayed your welcome, please. Get up and leave.
Are you asking me out of here?
If you do not leave here right away, I am going to rip off my clothes and shout rape. Is something wrong with you?
I forgive you because I can see you are still grieving.
Please leave my house.
In case you make up your mind.
Oboefi, leave. Leave.
Okay.
Hey! You for Fupage. Useless man.
There is no need crying over spilled milk, okay? Let me tell you. You can just get yourself another cup, probably prepare a fresh one for yourself. Look at you. As beautiful as you are just practically wasting away in this village, in fact, in this entire kingdom. I can bet you can't even remember when last you were made to feel like a real woman. When I mean feel like a woman. Look at it. The whole of your body. Your whole body being touched, caressed, romanced. Are you understanding me? Listen, I have men in my place who can do anything with your body. Are you understanding me? They can do what that your so-called husband could not do for you. In case there is no man that can handle you that way. Listen, I can handle you myself.
Don't you dare come near me! Fool! Maggot!
I just want to help you. You know where to find me if you have a change of mind, my love. You know where to find me. Rika is waiting for you. You know where to find me. I'm waiting. If I know, what is my business now? I will leave her. After all, I was even trying to help her to see what I can do to better her life, and she's just messing up. She was just messing up.
You
slippery maggot. I was just on my way to that your cost place.
Yes. On your way to my place?
Yes.
Did you need to come all the way from Ugezu to do this?
Yes, because I want you to call off whatever business you have with my daughter. You are so heartless. I want to ask you, if she were to be your daughter, will you make her an employee of Ogbankwe?
Ah! Look at you. Do you think I don't know you? No. You think I don't know everything about you? You think I don't know your movements in the dark, in the day? I know everything about you now. Listen to me. Instead of all these your Kurukere whatever movement, Nicodemus movement, why not come to Obobankwa, Ebane Diego? Are you understanding me? Your wife would not know. Your daughter too would not know.
I have no idea on what you are talking about. Let me tell you, I want you to take off your clothes off my daughter. Because if you don't, you'll be hearing from me. Let that secret out your brain.
Why not come? Your place is there. Let me tell you, men that started like you, they started by shouting, but they are there today enjoying themselves. I will see you there. You will come there, I know.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am to I go with it. If I am to I go with it.
My husband, you're back. Welcome. I did not see you when I came back.
When you came back, remind me, where did you go?
I told you I'm spending the night at my mother's.
Amaka, I am not senile. I have a good memory. What you told me yesterday was that you were going to the market.
No, that's not what I said.
Ichi, I have no family member left. No male, no female. Odumi really has succeeded in wiping every one of them. Please, if only you can come with me, I would really appreciate it. I would be so grateful to you, please.
My daughter, I wish I could, but I can't. I can't, because me will only listen to your family member, and I am not a member of your family. I'm sure there is a man out there asking for your hand in marriage. Why are you shaking your head? Don't you understand what I'm saying?
I understand what you're saying, Ichi. But I am shaking my head because I do not have any fiance nor any man.
You mean, as beautiful as you are, you have no... Then, you will settle for the second option.
Which is?
Marry Madam Iwele.
Ese?
Oh yes, because that is the only option. Odum Iwele will never kill his wife.
Ichi, is there no other option?
That is the only option, my daughter.
Ekunife, what is it? Why are you blocking my way? Oh, is it because of the useless charm you have in your pocket? Now, Ekunife, let me tell you. Go back back to that native doctor that prepared that useless thing I'm looking at in your pocket. Go and tell him that I, Ubwifile Rika, I am mightier and bigger than that useless Etiada in your pocket. Okay?
Now, Richard, listen to me. I was heading to your house to warn you. But good thing I met you here. Stay away from my sister. Erika, stay away from my sister. Whatever useless business idea you have to share with her, she's not interested. Erika, the next time you set foot in my compound, I swear by the gods, that will be the last time you use your feet. Stay away from my sister. I won't warn you again.
You see, Ekurife, you were talking, and I was just busy looking at you. Maybe you don't know now, let me tell you. Your sister's value as a woman diminished the very moment she was rejected on her marriage day. I was only trying to offer her a way to better her life.
What did you say?
You didn't hear me? Now, let me repeat. I said that your sister's value as a woman diminished the very moment, and you understand me, she was rejected. Hey! Wait, hey! Wait now. Leave him! You want killer? Leave him! Kill him, bros. You want to fight me? So, you want to fight? Leave him! I will kill you! Me! The only man in this kingdom that turned you to death, a huge cow! I will kill you! I will kill you! I will kill you! You want to fight me? You want to fight me?
I honestly do not know how to present this. But the truth is that I am so surprised with what you have been doing.
I don't know exactly what I'm doing that is surprising you, my dear.
Your errand boy was here yesterday with the well-prepared bushmeat you asked him to bring. And it was so strange to me because it was prepared exactly the way I like it. And now you're here? I'm surprised.
You don't need to be. That's just my only true way of saying, please forgive me for not being there for you when you needed me most. Your brother wanted you to be left alone.
I know. You have been forgiven.
Onyekenne, how are you?
I am fine. I am even fine more than I expected to be. I'm perfect.
Onyekenne.
But I just said I'm fine. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. Unless you want me to tell you that I'm not fine so that you can go out and get me more bushmeat.
Somebody will die in my hands in this village. Everybody's just provoking me.
Ogini.
What is all this for? Is my sister the only girl in this village? They won't allow her to rest. Everybody wants my sister until I kill somebody before they rest.
How?
What nonsense.
Gods of my forefathers. Ekunife! What did you just hang? Is that not the charm you said they use in fighting? Ekunife, you've been fighting!
No, who is in Yorika? Huh? Who is in Yorika to make advances on my sister? That man is very lucky I didn't kill him. He's very lucky. Wait, just calm down. You said the bastard did what?
Huh? Ekunife, I told you I handled this. I told you to let it go, but you wouldn't just listen. So you went with a charm to fight because of this? What is wrong with you?
And I also told him I also told him that the next time he steps his foot in this compound will be his last.
Who is that man to speak to you in the first place? He deserves not to live.
Oh, please, enough! Enough of all this! What is wrong with you? Ekunife, I'm standing right here in front of you. You should stop picking fights because of me. It is not advisable. Besides, I'm no longer a child. You should stop it already.
See, that man needs to be killed. You're supposed to kill him.
You know, now that you are saying it, all I feel is regret. I regret not killing him.
Oh my goodness. Both of you obviously do not know what you're doing. You don't have to kill anyone because of me. You don't have to fight anyone because of me. I am louding it for you to hear now. Let it get into your head. I have warned you.
You're supposed to cut off his head. Could just kill him with one hand, everybody will rest. Just kill him. You! Let him be on. Huh?
I don't understand. What kind of question is that?
Great one. Who marries me for real? I mean, who has the responsibility to always make love to me if I eventually get married to the deity? I am asking this important question because I know the gods cannot.
Well, truth is, no one in particular. Be rest assured, Odumiwele will raise men who are obedient to make you happy.
Great one. Don't you think that is so horrible? I mean, for a young woman like me, how am I supposed to cope with all that?
I heard you were beaten, but I never knew it was as serious as this. One day you are lucky to have survived.
Ekunife, I will deal with him. I will deal with him. I'm telling you, and I'm serious.
You will deal with Ekunife for what? On what grounds? On what basis? In case you have forgotten, let me quickly remind you that you jilted his sister on your marriage day. I mean, put yourself in his position. You would have done the same. I would have done the same.
I'm speaking about the girl. You see, I'm still wondering. I mean, she has not come to query me over what happened. I hope she's still alive.
Is that your wish for her?
I'm just asking.
You want her dead? Now, I have an information about her. She has gotten over you completely. In fact, she moved on immediately as if you never really existed.
Are you serious? How possible is it?
How it is possible is that she showed you in clear language that she belongs in a class far beyond your comprehension. In fact, I am a fan of her now. Yes. If not for anything, but at least for not allowing your stupidity affect her.
Actually, whose side are you on? Whose side?
Mbushe, this is not a matter of taking sides. Far from it. You understand? What you did to that girl, I wouldn't wish it on my enemy. For the part that you refuse to turn up on her marriage day, even after visiting the preceding day with an expensive bid, tells me that you purposely planned to frustrate her. And like I said, she refused to be frustrated and has moved on. And I'm a fan.
Achibe, leave my house.
Unbelievable!
You have overstayed your welcome. Leave my house.
Who does that?
I do it. And I'm still doing it. And I'm doing it right now. So I say, leave my house.
You asked me, Ashebe, out of your house?
I said, Achibe, leave my house. Stand up and leave. Go. Go to the side you are supporting. Go, leave my house.
Okay, I will leave. The truth, they said, is Peter.
Go away with your truth.
Who does that?
Come to think of it, did she really love me in any way? Did she? Was she in love with me? What is it now?
Come on, sit down. Come on, sit here.
Let me sit.
Mama, see the money I made.
EJ.
Yes.
You made this money in one night.
Mama, there was no crowd yesterday now. Otherwise, this is nothing.
EJ, go. I hope you are being careful.
Very careful now. Very, very careful, Mama.
I trust you, my daughter. You always know what to do. Quickly, go and hide this money before your father gets back. Yes.
Mama.
Hi.
You see, I just want to be friends with you, okay? I just want to be friends with you, and I know how to take good care of a woman.
Okay, fine. How much did you get the beads so I can quickly go in and get the money for you?
Like I said earlier, I didn't spend anything in getting the beads. It's a gift. Like I told you earlier, my friend deals on jewelry, so it wasn't difficult for me to get it.
What are you saying? These are very expensive beads.